We are live. Let's go into the charts. Yep, so if you can see on this 1 minute chart, we had 8:15 news, which rocketed up and set our parameters for our pre-market highs, pre-market lows. So based on my strategy, based on my system, likely today is going to be a no trade day. Power of 3 is bearish, but as long as it's within this channel, I won't be taking any options trade, so it's very likely that's going to happen. If I do have a prediction, though, I do think it will fall and break these I do think it's more likely to break the pre-market lows than to conquer the pre-market highs. But that's just my guess, my flip of the coin. Anything could happen. I'm just gonna react to the price action. Let's get into the levels. Pre-market high 21,899.25, 8:30 open 21,764, midnight open 21,750.75, and pre-market lows 21,712.75. VIX was 18 as of 9:18, which was about 20 minutes ago. NQ was positive 0.19, ES was positive 0.2%. No news in the morning, and likely today will be a no trade day for my options. I was taking a look at some equities. Nothing stands out. We have Tesla fading this 350 level, and has a lot more levels to go. Will it do a gap fill here between 312 and 307. Right now it's at 317. It's very likely. But other than that, I'm gonna be probably sitting on my hands. It'll likely be a shorter stream today, and yeah, we'll just be watching the price, see what's up. More downside action will make me want to be bearish. Yep. Oh, perfect. We might actually take a trade.
Till our first range is set. First they turn the orb strategy. Nice. Yeah, it's great, Squid. Great strategy. Great basis of supply and demand or support and resistance for you.
5 minute stochastics is showing sideways chop, which is not ideal. Oh man, yeah, that's not ideal as well. I really hoped it would have continued breaking down, but it's reversing.
Oh, nothing for me yet, guys.
So as long as it's below these VWAP 21 moving average on the 5 minute, 1 minute chart, I will have a bearish bias. But if it continues to play around these purple levels,
My radar yet. What do you say, Greg?
that's no good for me.
Oh, I thought you said you were trying something.
Yeah, also wait for price action. Hopefully this is looking good though. Staying below here, if it continues to show more weakness, that is super excellent. Yes, perfect. Very perfect. Greg signals longs, but I didn't agree with him. Oh, perfect.
Let's see, Team Bull.
Perfect.
See, Team Bull. I'm still waiting.
Perfect.
Got our 15-minute
Yes.
range set.
Yes. Great.
Perfecto. Let's see what I got marked out.
Very, very good. Two, 8, 5 contracts, market order. Let's get ready to crush it if it does show us what we want to see. Right now, 15-minute range formed. I do prefer a close here. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect candle. Great volume. I do expect more follow through. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, 685 is my level as well, Greg. So that's good. 15 more points. So I do expect a close here and a retest.
Let's see. You 15 minutes. Shoot your bounce on crazy Glock.
Okay, orb highs 21,840, orb lows 21,734. Good, perfect. Oh, perfect. All right. What I'm looking for is either a wick like this 944 candle, a wick like this 937 candle, somewhere retesting here, and then I'm gonna enter a double position. And then ideally it wicks and it closes below the 712 level.
Come on, give me something. Give me a good setup. Still just staying patient, everybody. No A plus setups for me yet. If it's not A plus setup, I'm not taking it. It's as simple as that.
So I have two systems. If it retests this, the 734 level, it's going to be my 15-minute orb short. But if it doesn't retrace as deeply and just kind of does something like that, I'm gonna mark it as a break retest of the pre-market lows. Okay.
Freak's locked in with Tiger. Hollywood's locked in.
It has to close below here for it to validate my orb short setup. If it closes above this yellow line, it either it's very weak or not the cleanest charts. Ooh, that's not clean. That's not clean. This looks like a reverse orb now. Yeah. Okay, no options trades here, but I will, if it does signal that it wants to reverse, I'm interested in the position.
You got it, only trades.
Oh, mic was muted. I do want to see a close below this yellow line before I take one position. If it does not close, okay, great.
Order
I'll take a
filled.
position.
I don't like that aggressive wick up. Got a 40 plus move, 40 point plus move down prior, so I'm going to be a little more patient on this. Any shorts down here?
And I'm gonna go down
Be a little
here.
more patient because we got that aggressive move first.
Okay, we are in. We are in. Looking for 3R or
Come on. Let's see here. Swap these lows. I'm waiting to see how this 5-minute closes for any sorts of trades. The reason I haven't taken the orb yet is because we had that aggressive move down. Closed right at the level, I guess technically speaking, at $2 below. I don't like how we had from the close, 40 plus point move down.
Okay, guys, looking the approach into daily level.
Order filled.
Daily level 659. 759.
okay, I'm out. Took the stop loss. I'm out.
See, there is an order block here. Just above this level, let's see if we can get the order block and click it. Touching 759.
And close that 5-minute back above too.
Don't reject now, come on. Go for the other block.
Looking for a nice trend entry today.
Go for the other block, come on. I just want this guy going for the other block.
Let's see. Okay.
They just retouched 759. Massive rejection now. I didn't want to enter because there is an order block just above.
See, I might do a round 2 of this. Maybe it just tagged me out. Let's just check.
So 1 minute and 2 minutes. Or something there. Starting at 766. Exactly at the late daily level 766.
do have another bullet, which will be my last if I do decide to do this trade. Still looking for shorts.
Come on, Market, give me something.
I won't take another position
On a
until
short work
this
day.
closes below the 15-minute or below.
On a 5-minute work day. Where's my 30-minute work day?
There was the move I was looking for. God damn it.
Guys, we decide to reject from there. From 759, they didn't. One the order block. Now we are below daily level, sorry, for our level 74.
Yep, I have a feeling it's going to do a little pop up because it was too easy that it just vomited 30 points in one move.
I'm watching if we close this candle for a potential short entry on a pop-up. We'll see how we close in the next 15 seconds.
I agree.
And like in the short too.
I agree. We're so close. But we have rejected the level 1, 2, 3 times on the 5-minute chart. Oh, volume. Almost there. But not quite. Yeah, that's why I wasn't tempted to get smacked on this 957 candle. That's why I wasn't tempted. Now it's forming a little range. We have the two higher highs here, the two higher lows here.
Higher risk, you're going to have a hard stop at 50 or at 60. So I have 20 points of risk on this. I did try the shorts up here with a hard stop up at 60.
Jay Dunn is implementing his orb trade. 20 points of
Tried
orb.
it at 40, hard stop, 60. So if we get some aggressive push, some news candle, something, I will get stopped out. My market fill up there. Strike. Hard stop is placed. We're chilling. It's worth the risk for me, everybody.
If it stays below this white line, I'm interested as well, Jay Dunn.
Over this orb, then I'll know I was wrong. I'll lose 20 points on the trade.
Man, that doesn't tell me that it wants to reverse, Jay Dunn, unless something weird happens. But it should be below this white line. I'll wait for this.
Because if we break above this previous 5-minute high, I'll know that we likely will make more highs, and this isn't the lower high.
Correct.
We tried to break out that 15-minute, above the 15-minute low, failed it, closed below, so when we have that retest back up, I'm willing to try it. This was the entry area.
Okay, I'm in.
Points of risk. If we go get low today,
Order filled.
out of that we got 50 plus points.
I'm in.
So that's the idea there.
Oh yeah.
Can I have hard stops?
Oh yeah.
If you want to trim it 1-to-1, you can down at 20. It's an option you have. If we get there, of course. You know, we went down, what, right there, 17, but not enough for a trim for me. Sticking to the code, all these hoes on the street. It's game time. Bring your friend. Come on. It's up 10 points. No trims for me. No trims for me down here at 10 or 12 or whatever points you're up.
Okay.
Gotta get at least 20. Do you like that? Wrong way. Thank you. If it closes 5 minutes above this 15-minute low, setup probability will go down. So you guys know. Setup probability will go down. We're still setting a break even or a few points in profit, but
Yeah, so that's this white line right here. If it closes above,
back up and reject. So if we don't get that, then shows my idea was potentially wrong.
yeah, I agree.
My hard stops are set though. My trade will pan itself out.
Mm-hmm.
Either goes up and stops me out at 60, or close right at the level. Isn't that lovely? Still keeping my hard stops same level, everyone. Same level. I don't love how that candle closed, but for me, it's still. I'd regret it if I sold early.
Yep.
And then it went in my favor. So
Yep.
I'm gonna let it play itself out. If it stops me out at 60, it stops me out at 60.
Yep, agreed. Uh-oh. Peekaboo.
Don't do it, NQ. Don't do it. It stopped me out, guys. It just pinged my stop there at 60. It just pinged my stop there at 60. May end up being a sweep and go, but I gotta follow my plan. And almost got 1-to-1 on that. We went up about 17 points. It just wasn't enough for me to trim. Not when I'm targeting low day and your 20 points of risk. Had to have at least 20 points a gain to make it a 1-to-1. Sorry about that, fellas. Had the right idea. Just didn't get enough juice worth the squeeze. That's right, we'll get the second trade. I'm not worried about it.
Agreed.
In this crazy market, why not trim? Because that risk reward wasn't there. Green doesn't just mean green. If I define my risk
Come on, push it. Push it down.
Alright, guys, one more try in shorts. This next pop up. One more try. High risk add 30s. You can add up to 50s with stops above 62.
I'm watching this entry with you, Dread.
One more try.
Push it. Push it.
30s. You're here. Better entry 50s.
Yes. Push it. 1 to 1.
I
want a little bit more. 1 to 1.
I want sub 700 out of this.
Did you get your entry?
Push it more.
Right when we hit 28. You can still enter here too. I still like this move down.
Push it more.
I'm taking the shorts, guys. I'm in the shorts.
Push it more.
If I say high risk entry in this area, I'm entering.
Push
Still
it
take
more.
I still like the flush blows.
Yeah. Yeah.
Went to moving. Aggressive move down. If you want to wait, you can wait for a little better up in the 40s. I like entries still down in this area. If you took the high risk area around 28 to 30, you got 20 points of it. I still want more. I still think we have a good chance of moving with this, how this candle formed.
Oh yeah, perfect. I like that. I like that 1 minute wait. Oh nope, wrong direction.
My shorts here, everyone.
Wrong direction.
MQ shorts or NQ shorts, whichever you prefer. We got a stop loss would have to be at 762 though, so keep that in mind.
Let's see.
This is the high risk entry area, you guys. Like anything down here with a flush below 700, we should get an aggressive move.
Oh yeah.
If you guys want to save for entry, you can wait till 40s, like I said. I can hear you, Grizz.
Okay, just making sure.
Good. Still under VWAP. Still under. Oh well, not under the 21 moving average now, but it was for a little bit.
All right, guys. Better entries up here. Safer entries up here with stops above 64. If we lose that high, then setup's not valid. Everything in volume and price says keep moving down.
Is it? Is the volume good? Oh yeah, this volume's good. I see what Jay done. So on the 5-minute chart, 22K contracts versus the 18K the minute 5 minutes before 10 o'clock versus 10:05. All right, we're good. Let's sit on our hands. It should flush below 400. That's when I'll take my. It wasn't enough for me to trim. Wasn't enough for me to trim. Maybe it was
Come on, give some sort of rejection up here near 40.
maybe it was a bad move on my end. Maybe. Candle. Okay.
Again, high risk area. It's high 20s, low 30s, better areas up here near 40. If we break above 60 to 63, this setup is no longer valid for me. So, a hard emergency stop up at 63.
I'll enter in again. Another double add.
This is something I'd for sure take 100 plus times.
Double add for me.
Get the volume and the wick. If they already go higher. If we end up basing this support at 700 and moving up, then I was just wrong on the setup. I'll take my 2 losses and likely be done for the day. Be down around 2K.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Come on, make this the push down. Man, got a from the 40 area, got a 20, almost 20-point push down so far. I want to see more though. From a high risk area, it's sitting around break even, at break even, slightly red. Better area. 40s. It's not what I want to see in that candle though. I'm gonna move my stop up to a little less red on this, guys, up to 58. Save myself a few points. So from the high risk area, you're risking about 20 points still. I just fear if we break above this 40 aggressively, we're gonna keep going. It's not giving me what I want to see so far. I need to see this candle move down. We took the better at area near 40. You can feel free to manage how you see fit. It's not necessarily to where I want to see us for risk.
Oh, sellers are defending. 7:30. Sellers are defending. Oh yeah.
Sellers are not doing what they should.
Oh yeah. Pump it down.
If you want to trim down here at 20 from 40 area add, you can.
Pump it down.
Come on. I'm going to take off 2 down here at 18. I'm going to take off 2. At 18, guys.
Pump it down. Pump it down.
I'd like to see more though. I'm also going to move my stops to break even. If you guys took the better ad, move your stops to break even as well. I'd like to see us break below 700.
So Jay Dunn is micromanaging this trade. I like for it to play out some more.
Lower high. I'd love to see us keep moving on down.
Oof, come on. Come on.
My stops are at break even, guys. But I'd love to see this keep flushing down. So I got one trim off, holding the rest. I'd like to see us catch the lower high or lower move down. We'll see what they give us. See if we can get it. Give us some sort of move down. Give us some continuation down. Decent move so far, but a trend move. Oh, guys, just got my stop there for my average. So, got some back on that, but still slightly red on the day. Barely, but still slightly red, just so you guys are aware. Could keep trending down with this price action next year here, so I'm gonna follow my plan.
Did you get out?
I did.
It doesn't look like a bad idea. It's just horrible price action.
I'm just following my plan. I wanted to see that. I mean, I love the setup. I just following my plan. This price action sucks.
I'm still in, but I only have 5 M in Q, so.
Got a trim off though for 23 points.
Oh, nice. I didn't know you trimmed.
If I would have sold the full position, it would have been green, but did not sell the full position. I wanted the trend move.
I also wanted the trend move, so we're still in. Okay. Let's see.
That is why I followed my plan to stop there. We have non-farm payroll tomorrow. It's alright, 1 for 2 on the day. Still slightly red.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm done for the day. Yeah, 2 losses. I think that took me out a little bit over 2% on my E-Trade account. As long as it's not over 6%, then I'm not going to take the whole month of June off. But otherwise, hope you guys are having a good Thursday trading session.